Good evening, everybody. Stockmaster Talk here with GoldMedalPennyStocks.com, taking you through another stock chart video analysis, this time of BYSD, the Bayside Petroleum Company. Last trading day was Tuesday, July 23rd. We saw a previous close of 0.0037. We closed up last at 0.0046 on a volume of 3.795 million shares. That was an increase of 24.32%. It was another really good day for BYSD. It did consolidate for 2 days prior to a really nice run and incredible record-breaking volume on Friday. This was a really nice play, and we're really excited to see where it's going to go from here, especially considering that post-market they did announce that they received a heavy fuel oil purchase order for 1.2 million metric tons annually. That equates to over $160 million in gross revenues every month for the next 36 months. Very impressive for BYSD, and needless to say, this is huge news for the investing community, so there's going to be a lot of eyes on this tomorrow. So I really wanted to go over the stock chart and see what we can possibly garner from it, what we can expect tomorrow. Let's start with the 14-day RSI. It's at 50.67. We saw a nice climb up here. We did cross over that 50 line. That's a very bullish indicator, as well as our 5-day RSI crossed over the 14-day at 54.26. That crossover is also considered bullish. On our charts down here, we have a lot of things going on. I would like to point out that we do have support at, drawing it up right now. I'm seeing some nice support right here at 0.0032. Our parabolic SAR is underneath our candlesticks, and we do also have some support here on our 10-day moving average. Perhaps it's a nice little guideline going there. We do have resistance at the 50-day moving average. I would like to see that not hold very strongly, though. I think we can go higher than that, considering some of our other indicators. Down here on our MACD, we do see it gaining strength. We did dip down a little bit here. We did come really close to hitting our signal line, but we are continuing this uptrend, and we are looking to cross over that zero line anytime in the near future. Accumulation really has me impressed here. We did spike up tremendously, and we are holding on to all these shares, and letting me know that investors are eager to see what's going to happen next, and that they're wanting to sell out at higher prices. And hopefully that means we'll see those higher prices. This accumulation here just means that we're holding on to our shares. Down here, our checking money flow crossed over the zero line last week, and that's a very positive thing considering we had spent so much time below the zero before. That crossover is a big deal. PPO is looking very strong. We are climbing upwards as well. Just like our MACD line, we are above our signal line, and we are getting closer to that zero line. The PPO is showing strength, and we are gaining some. Down here on our ADX, we do see our negative DI come down to the pinch with its positive DI. I would like to see those cross over. Our ADX line itself is still pretty high, though, so this chart can sometimes maybe not be quite as useful as we would like it to be, but we should like to see this crossover. I'd really like to see that. We'll keep our eyes on this one. ROC 12-day spiking up after it came down and bounced off of that zero. It's at 31.42. Like to see that continue climbing as well. The CCI is rocking at 41.25 on the climb, and the Trix line also impressing me a lot. We are above the signal line, and we are headed up towards that zero. I would just like to point out again that right when we crossed over our signal line on the Trix line, 15-day, that we did start to see these incredible gains, and the amount of money you could have made if you would have bought with this buy signal here would have been tremendous. It's one of my favorite buy signals. It always seems to be quite reliable when you pair it with a bunch of other indicators like we have here. Anyway, BYSD, with this news and the amount of attention it's going to be getting, I think we could see something really magical happen tomorrow. Hopefully we'll keep you we will keep you up to date, but hopefully it'll turn out to be a really nice day. I'd like to see that happen. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. You can find me on iHub. Just search Stockmaster Talk or Gold Medal Penny Stocks, and you should find me pretty easily. I love talking to people. So please head over and do that. Once again, thanks for watching, and have a good evening and good luck in the markets tomorrow. Everybody, good night.